Hey guys, so I'm still in Sedona and I just got done shooting this super awesome lot in this exclusive Sedona community. I gotta say, the views around here are insane. I mean, look at this footage. I mean, it's just incredible. This neighborhood is just surrounded by Red Rock Mountains. And that's why I like doing this job, because you really can see some really amazing neighborhoods and places that you wouldn't normally have access to. This is a completely gated neighborhood in Sedona. I mean, these houses are at least $2 or $3 million in this neighborhood. I would love to live here someday. I mean, my goal is to live in Sedona, but this is just amazing. Like, I mean, just the views and everything. But anyway, guys, I just finished my job. It was just to get some video clips of this lot. And now I'm gonna go back to camp and meet up with Tori, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next today. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this. I'm with Tori. We are at Oak Creek in Sedona along Route 89A, and you guys have to see how beautiful this place is. So after we left that part of Oak Creek, we headed over to a trout farm, which is a little bit down the road on 89A. Now, the reason why we came here is we've never been here before, and we've been to Sedona many times. There was Tori, she almost just fell. I don't know if you caught that. But we've been to Sedona many times and have never been to the trout farm, so we thought we'd check it out. It's basically just a place where you can feed trout and fish for them. So nothing too special, not really my thing. But anyway, I'm glad I checked it out. Enjoy the footage. Okay guys, so I didn't exactly vlog this part leading up to this, but as you can see, this is just some like really bad footage I got with my Phantom. I went and flew at Bell Rock, Courthouse Butte, and forgot my ND filters. But luckily I had the Mavic with me, was actually able to get some really nice footage from this spot, and I definitely plan on going back with the Phantom. The Mavic doesn't shoot 4K 60, and I really wanted to capture this location in 4K 60 frames per second, but luckily I only live an hour and a half away, so I can go up there again soon. So guys, we are here at West Fork in Sedona, Arizona. I'm here with Tiffany, Faith, and Tori, and Zeke. Zeke is way up there, and we are about to go into this enchanted place. What?
I was like...
I might have. Oh my gosh. So Tiffany and Faith just got clotheslined. They both hit their heads on this log right here. Tori, do not hit your head on that log because it'll be 3 for 3.
Will you? Are you sure?
A very dangerous log. We have made it to Oak Creek, as you can hear. It's amazing out here. Just incredible. Okay guys, so we are about to go inside of a cave, and actually Tori's getting in right now.
I have a fear of doing things weird. I mean, like I'd like to stay close to the ground while I do this instead of climbing.
All right guys, now it's my turn.
We're all excited about a hole.
Gotta adjust the ISO.
There's a creepy face in the back.
So guys, now we're inside of the
Here,
cave.
wait, go on the other side of her. Point
It's pretty
to her
dark.
with a frown.
Hey guys, so unfortunately that is where the footage ends. This was the last day anyway. When we went to West Fork, Tori and I didn't get to explore the whole entire thing because I realized partway through our hike that my Apple Watch was not on my wrist. I started to freak out because honestly it was a $500 watch. I made us turn around because I suck. I knew that Tori was mad at me and I felt really bad for making us turn around over a stupid piece of technology, which, by the way, I ended up finding in my car, shoved underneath the seat. I really wanted to explore the rest of the trail, but it just wasn't meant to be. I also forgot to bring water for myself. It's not smart to go on a big hike and not have any water. We were camping, we woke up and just went there like kind of early in the morning. We weren't really thinking about everything. I mean, at least I wasn't. But whenever I get the chance again, I definitely want to go back to West Fork. I'm gonna make it a point to do it with Tori because I ruined it for us. But thank you guys for watching the Sedona vlog. I definitely want to make more vlogs for you guys. It's a lot of fun, and I had a lot of fun in Sedona with Tori, Tiffany, Faith, Zeke. They were all a great time. We basically got a campsite along 89A and we put up our own tents. Yeah, it was just a really great time. I love camping. But yeah, guys, definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.